This is the application developed by King Code for software engineering. We decided to make a mobile application for the 1PA website because we noticed the lack of the presence of a mobile application. On the previous page, you saw the web application's homepage. Here is the sign-up page where a user may create an account. The user must enter their information, an email address, and a phone number, as well as create a password and a username. Once the user has completed all information, they can create an account by clicking Submit. Once the user hits Submit, they'll be notified about a successful sign-up, and by clicking Confirm, they are redirected to the login page where the user may begin logging in. From the login page, the user must enter their login credentials, their username and their password, and click Submit again. Then the user is directed to a welcome page where we have a simple message letting the user know that this is just the beta application version of our application, and we hope to bring them more versions in the future. Then the user clicks the search tab on the bottom left of the navigation bar, and they can begin searching different community centers within Singapore by typing into the search bar on the top. The user may enter Bishan, Nanyang, or any other community center. Once the user clicks the community center, they are redirected to that specific community center's contact information page. The user is given the location of the community center, the address, and simple directions. Under the Course tab, which is the next on the navigation bar, the user can see a bunch of different course categories. Once the user selects one of those categories, they are given a list of specific courses in the categories. Here, a badminton course is shown, which is under the sports category. By swiping left and right, the user can see at which location the badminton course is offered. If the user finds one that fits their schedule or the location of their desire, they can then proceed to registering. As you saw, you can use Visa or Nets to complete the registration, and then the user is officially enrolled in the course, and they will be sent a confirmation email to the email listed under their account. The next tab on the navigation bar is the map. Once the user selects a map, an entire map of Singapore and all of the community centers is loaded for the user to see a general overview of the entire community center system. The user can zoom in and out and select different community centers and be given a bunch of information about that community center, a description, the actual address to the community center, and the website link. By having this page, the user can see a general overview of all the community centers and the vast network of the centers within Singapore. The next tab on the navigation page is the Me page, where the user's account information will be displayed. There are three main tabs here: My Courses, Recommended Courses, and Registered Courses. And on the last tab of the navigation bar, we have a simple Help page, where the user may submit questions or concerns that will be sent to the developers on anything they need further information on. For example, here you can see how do you change the my account password. This will then direct an email to us, and we can provide support or feedback back to the customer. As you can see, those are the main 5 pages of our application.